Welcome to day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas trees.
Aleene designs, unique expressions.
The first thing I did is created this tree and cut it in my Cricut machine. Now, don't feel intimidated. If you don't have a Cricut machine, you can do this by hand, and I'll show you at the end how. So now what I did is I pre-cut all these. It's 6 of them, and I'm folding them in the middle right here. And I'm going to do that with all 6. And then I'm going to glue them together just like this. Then when you glue them all together, you open it carefully and glue the last part together as well. The paper I use for the green ones is 24-pound paper. You can do this with different color paper or different texture paper. This one in particular has a beautiful texture, and I think it came out so cute. If you want, you can do less layers. Instead of 6, you can do 4 or 3. It's up to you. So let me show you how to do it by hand. I'm using this red as my sample. If it's easier for you, you can get this shape on the internet and print it on a paper and cut it. I had this red one already as a pre-cut for my scrapbook material, so I'm using it as my sample. And because my sample, the tree was not flat at the bottom, I'm going to just make a line here and cut it straight. This will be better for my tree to stand up straight. And this is up to you if you want to cut each tree individually, but I recommend you that you will fold the papers and align them all together and then cut all your trees at the same time. After you fold all of them in the middle, you're gonna have to glue them now together. And I'm going to be using this brush to apply the glue better to all the pieces, just like this. And that's it. You can do this craft with your grandkids or kids. Thank you for watching. Until next time, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Merry Christmas. Goodbye.